Hey guys, welcome to the channel. So I have a new Apple CarPlay adapter from FAHREN. They actually have sent me my headlights for this car and they wanted to send me this to review, so I thought I'd check it out. So this is cool because instead of the big adapter like I have from another company, this is real small. It's basically like a USB flash drive. This is called the model P80 wireless adapter auto CarPlay. So it should be just fairly simple. I'm not even going to read the directions. We're just going to try it, see how simple this thing is to connect. So we'll take it out of the package here. It does come with instructions, of course. Also comes with a extension cable if you need it, or you can just plug it directly in if you have room to plug it in, because it's so small. See, here's your instruction manual right there, user manual, a couple other things. So one cool thing, it does come with an adapter. If you have something in your car besides a USB, like if you have USB-C, you can plug this USB-C to USB-A adapter in and use it. Mine is actually USB. So this works on later model cars. Now, of course, you do have to have Apple CarPlay, wired Apple CarPlay in your car for this to work. But basically, just plug this in to USB in your car, where your wired CarPlay would plug in, which mine is down here under the dash. Can't see it, but it's right down there, so I plugged it in. Now we'll turn the key on. Okay, now we got the key on. It should come up here. Yeah, there we go. Okay, so on here on the Bluetooth settings, go to the one that says wireless dongle. Click on that. We do have a pair and a number for the pairing. Allow. Let's click on it and then click allow. Okay. Well, I guess it come up here. We'll see. Yeah, there it did. That was quick. It connected and then come on right there. So that was actually pretty simple. It was actually easier than the other one that I'd done. So let's turn it off. Set the phone up here on the dash. So we're on CarPlay. Right here, there's all of our stuff like normal CarPlay would have. Let's turn it off. And now let's turn it back on and see if it automatically connects when I start the car. This is a 2022 Honda HR-V, but it works on many cars, not just the HR-V. There's Apple CarPlay, but it should automatically come up just that simple. Click on our maps. Super cool. Phone, everything works good. Music. Back to our maps there. So yeah, everything's good. Super easy. That is like super cool. I probably won't even use the extension cable because this just plugged directly in. I didn't have to use this extension, so I didn't need it, and I didn't need the adapter, but it does have the option in case you need it. So what I'm gonna do is just go ahead and leave this one in there for a while and try it, make sure it does it every day, works fine, and I'm sure it's going to. From the looks of it, it's going to do that. But I have everything on here. Got Google Maps, what I use on here, and we're ready to go. So we'll just leave this thing alone. But that is the FAHREN wireless CarPlay adapter P80. So I'll post a link in the description where you can check this thing out, guys. If you want to purchase one, super cool. If you have wired CarPlay, because I always have to plug it in to the phone. I hate having to do that. This is just a quad lock mount that I put up here, and just go like that, and I can put it on here. I don't have to plug in the CarPlay, automatically comes up. But there you guys go. Thank you all for watching. Link in the description. Click the thumbs up, hit the subscribe button, hit the bell icon. You'll be notified when I put out a new video. Thank you all for watching. Right on.